Want to know which YouTube niches make the most money? Let's go. First, you need to know what a CPM is. CPM stands for cost per mealy. That's how much advertisers pay for 1,000 views on your video. A higher CPM means you earn more money per view. But CPM alone doesn't guarantee success. You still need interesting content that people actually watch and share. First up, personal finance and investing. This niche is about teaching people how to save money, invest, and grow their wealth. Example video: 5 money habits that made me $10,000 before 20. Average CPM, $15 to $25. Why it's good? Advertisers like banks and apps pay a lot here because they want customers with money. Second, tech and AI tools. Here you review or explain the newest apps, software, and AI hacks. Example video: 5 AI tools that will change your life in 2025. Average CPM, $12 to $20. Why it's good? Tech companies spend big money on ads and people love discovering new tools. Third, health and fitness. Content here focuses on workouts, nutrition, or lifestyle hacks. Example video: 3 daily habits for a healthier body. Average CPM, $8 to $15. Why it's good? A massive audience and endless topics. CPM is a bit lower, but views can explode. Fourth, online business and side hustles. You show people how to start small businesses or make money online. Example video: 5 side hustles you can start with $0. Average CPM, $10 to $18. Why it's good? People are ready to spend to learn how to make money, so advertisers pay more. Fifth, education and science facts. Think of cool, mind-blowing facts like the ones you're already making. Example video: sharks are older than trees. 5 crazy facts about nature. Average CPM, $6 to $12. Why it's good? Huge share potential, especially on shorts, but CPM is a bit lower than finance or tech. Sixth, luxury and travel experiences. You show unique destinations, hotels, or luxury lifestyles. Example video: inside the world's most expensive hotel room. Average CPM, $12 to $20. Why it's good? Travel companies, airlines, and luxury brands pay high ad rates, and that's it. 6 high CPM niches you can start today. Pick one that matches your passion and start creating. High CPM is great, but remember, the best results come from content people actually watch and share. Combine good topics with great storytelling, and you'll see your channel grow fast. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have questions, ask them in the comments. And what video should I make next?